You notice the change in your loved one and that they need help. Every time you bring this up to your loved one, they're not ready. They don't need the help. They can do it on their own. This is very common, something that we hear every day. They become very resistant. They've been on their own for many years, and inviting a stranger into their home is very difficult. Many times their feelings are they're losing their independence, that they can't make their own decisions any longer. That's very difficult for them. Hi, my name's Debbie Humphrey, the owner of Home Helpers of Clearwater, and today we're going to talk about how to have the conversation about getting care. Number one, choose the right time and place. Be deliberate, set a time, and have all of your questions, concerns all ready. Don't just spring it on them. Find a time and a place that's convenient for both of you and comfortable for all of you. Make sure when you're having this conversation, you planned for enough time and that you're not rushing through it. Number two, know your options. Make sure that you have compared the difference between home care and possibly going into a senior living care so that you can have that conversation with them. Explore the options of family members and others that may be able to help with some of the care and will be involved. Also, you may want to consider, what do they want to do? Have you had that conversation before? Have they expressed before? What are their wishes? And number three, be empathetic. Listen to what they have to say and what their concerns are. Again, they feel like they're giving up their independence. They feel like they can never do anything on their own again, which is not true. Home care isn't going to come in and take over. We are there to complement the tasks that they can do and help with the things that could cause them a fall or an injury of some sort. Also, make sure that you let them know that you understand the situation that they're in and that you care about them. And number four, be honest about your feelings. Let them know that you're concerned about them. Let them know how this affects you. It does affect you and your family. You may be raising your own family and feel that you don't always have time for your aging loved one. This is difficult. Also, you want to express to them your worry about their safety, that you're concerned, that they spend too much time alone or that they could have a fall and that, somebody's not going to be there when that happens. Number five, be firm but compassionate. Don't take no for an answer. Of course, you want to listen to what they have to say. However, many times people wait until they have an issue, till they have a fall or something serious happens before they make the decision. Because you're having this conversation in advance, it's very important that you let them know the consequences that could happen if they continue to live alone. You may want to follow up at a later date. You can't make this decision all in one sitting and have that conversation all at one time. It's too much for them. So come back and readdress their concerns and your concerns again before a decision is made. And number six, offer support. If you have the time, offer to make those phone calls. If not you, maybe another family member can make some phone calls to some home care agencies, can follow up about veteran benefits or follow up with their long-term care insurance provider. Make those calls for them so they don't feel overwhelmed. A little story about my own mom. She had home care and lived independently, and she was very concerned about the cost of paying for home care, and rightfully so. But we broke it down into how much it was going to cost by the hour, how much it was going to cost by the week. And we also offered as family members, that we could pitch in and help her if it became overwhelming to her. That is a big concern. Most seniors want to leave something to their children and they're worried they're going to outlive their money. But there are ways to pay for home care. If you need more support in how to have this conversation with your loved one or to explore options available, please go to our website at homehelpershomecare.com/Clearwater.